You fill my soul with light the day we met. I don't wanna leave your side, no.
Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing great. तो आज के वीडियो में आई एम गोना शो यू सम IKEA आइटम्स बिकॉज हम लोग जा रहे हैं आज IKEA स्टोर। मुझे कुछ घर के लिए आइटम लेना था तो आई थॉट कि चलो कुछ आइटम्स मैं आपके साथ भी शेयर करूँगी। और मैंने देखा है ऑनलाइन तो मुझे कुछ स्प्रिंग कलेक्शन दिखा है विच इज़ न्यू टू देयर और काफ़ी स्प्रिंग शेड्स के कलेक्शंस हैं। तो आई थॉट कि मुझे कुछ अपने किचन के लिए और घर के लिए लेने हैं। अगर आपको भी कुछ अच्छा लगता है तो आप अपने नियर बाई IKEA चेकआउट कर सकते हो और या इन्जॉय करना आज का वीडियो। So let's grab a cup of tea or coffee and enjoy this video. But before heading to IKEA, we are just having our breakfast. तो बच्चों के लिए बन रहा है रागी एंड व्हीट पैनकेक। इसमें मैंने थोड़ा सा चॉकलेट ऐड किया है और हमारे लिए बनेगा पोहा। तो बस ब्रेकफास्ट करके रेडी होके हम लोग निकलते हैं IKEA। IKEA has this beautiful green color crockery collection which absolutely represent to green and forest. Sometimes we get bored with our regular white crockery. In this way we can think about such a different color which looks beautiful during this upcoming season which is spring and summer. This crockery has subtle black edge and the cost of this crockery which include dinner plates and the pasta bowl are $3.99. By the nature inspired green color will make your food beautifully stand out. This spoon rests in light grey color with the cost is $2.99. I believe the spoon rest make the job fantastic. The way we know the spoon or spatula or other kitchen utensils goes here and they reduce the mess or clutter on the worktop. The size of this particular rest is optimized for one spoon or spatula only and it is a dishwasher safe. Look at this beauty. This yellow mug has a rustic handmade feel. I really like the color so I grabbed two for my crockery collection. I know this mug will go well with one of my IKEA lamp which I always put on my kitchen countertop. The another item I have seen this storage basket which are stackable and good for your countertop. It has huge space to collect your all vegetables like potatoes and onion or sometime you can put some snacks which could be on your countertop or if you have a big pantry space then you can grab this basket and put over there. This storage wooden basket are good to keep the sauce or achar bottles and the cost of this basket is $9.99. The another practical organizer for the kitchen countertop made by pine wood storage which is perfect to grab all the essential items like spice bottles, veggies, fruits and many more and that can be fit in on the countertop so we can keep things in one space while cooking. I never forget to grab IKEA kitchen towels whenever I visit IKEA. They have different designs in different color. Some are made of stripes or some have topical designs on it. Made by cotton and retain their color after even wash. The cost is $4.99. These plastic bottles are perfect for homemade sauce, chutney or even salt for the dahi bada or you can use for any such dressings or seasoning to give your food that little extra. And the cost of this bottle is $50. Another item which I want to show you, this is cork trivet in dark brown shade which comes in 11 inches diameter which stand suits most pot, pans and even ovenwares. This one is perfect to keep the table and also use for a table trays for bottles of oil, vinegar, herbs and spices and the cost is $7.99. These tin boxes with lid in silver color make your storage fun and stylish. This is made by a thin tin so good for lightweight stuff which can be cookies or Indian snacks like namak para or chivda. Another way, this is a colored boxes which comes in the round shape or in a oval shape. This can be good storage to put the cookies, cakes, pasta or some dry items. The grooved surface creates a beautiful vibrant look while providing a good grip. Also, these boxes are stackable so we can reduce the mass and create some more space. The colored tin with lid, which can be your coffee or tea container, as metal blocks light and protect flavor and aroma. You can put your dry snacks and spices as IKEA claim. This stylish metal tins looks great on the display in your kitchen. This kind of boxes comes in white color in different size, which is also look beautiful, but this time I grabbed some colorful for my kitchen and I will display this on my kitchen countertop and share this with you on my next video. Now let's check out some glassware which is inspired by spring color and give a new energy to your table and life at home. The colors are complementing to each other and are just as great for parties as for everyday meals. So these are the items which I grabbed from IKEA today and I'm so excited to use them to my kitchen. Those were some of the new IKEA products that I got my attention and I thought sharing with you all. Hope you like this video. In my next video, I will share my usage and styling with this interesting product from IKEA. So please don't forget to check out my upcoming video and let me know your favorite product in comment section. And I will see you in my next video. Till then, take care and bye for now.